Apple AirTags have a big bulky case on them, maybe you need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is an Apple AirTag. I've got it in this little case so I can attach it to things. And any case that wraps around the AirTag is going to add some weight and thickness and bulk and make it look a little bulkier. And the Apple AirTags are pretty small, but they're not small. You know, that was my nickname in high school. But listen, these Apple AirTags can get bigger and bigger, and you get the little pouches and they're even bigger. I found this case for attaching your AirTag to things. It's got a little hook so you can put it on a lanyard or tie it to things. And it is the smallest, least obtrusive attachment for an AirTag that I've ever seen. So let's check it out. All right, so here is my Apple AirTag, and as you can see, I've got this little case on it because if I need to attach it to something, there's no attachment points on it otherwise. And of course, it just adds some bulk, right? I mean, this is bigger than this. And so the Apple AirTag, even though it's not miniature, you may not want to add any bulk to it at all. And that's why I picked up this Stouchi. Where is it? Oh, look at that. Pretty minimalist here. And it's really just a ring with a little loop on it. Man, it is pretty light. It kind of feels like liquid metal, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's some sort of alloy here. Just very, very light, very, very slim. Has a slight inner ring to it, like a step down right there. It also comes with this keychain here. I really like these because they're big, they're bulky, and they have like a carabiner opening, so they're very easy to use. But the way you would install this is you just unscrew the AirTag cover like this. You just kind of give it an 1/8 of an inch turn. And then you put this inside here, just like that, I believe. And now we just put this back in and it'll index inside that little ring. All right. And this actually kind of swings around. That's interesting. I thought it would kind of be sandwiched in there, but kind of swings around like that so you can spin it. Man, that's a pretty good fit. Dude, that's pretty cool. And then you can take this guy and attach it to your key ring, and there's no additional bulk with this, right? So now you have a little loop. I almost kind of wish Apple just put a little loop for putting on things or a version of it, but you know, this is pretty much the easiest way to do it, and that is super minimal as opposed to something like this plastic cover, which is going to add just crazy amounts of bulk. You're not adding anything really to the AirTag except for the ability to attach a little ring to it. So if you want to pick this up, I think this little Stouchi AirTag case is kind of the way to go. I'll put a link to this guy in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.